afternoon. So today's hike is Snowdon again, but I'm going up a RHYD D path. So it's the first time I've done this one, this ridge, but it's the last track. I've done them all, done all the other paths. This is the last one. I was going to leave Crib Gork to last, but I did that a couple of weeks ago. But hope you enjoyed the video. See you in a bit. Lost my cap then. Right, bit of a tricky one here. Should have checked my map a bit better before I left. So there's a path to go right along that ridge, or there's a path to go left along that ridge. I think it's left. I think on the right hand side is a RHYD. I did want to go there at some point, but not in a clag. I'll maybe on the way back, I'm not sure yet, doubt it. But so I'm going to head up that way, which I think nearly certain it's that way. But I'm sure I'll start recognising things, even though I haven't been this way before. But yeah, I'll start out the wind this way as well, a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to head along this ridge here, and hopefully it's the way. 100%, 99% sure. See you in a bit. I bet the views are great from this ridge when there's no clag. It's a lot of people's favourite path, this one. I can see why, but definitely prefer the Watkins and Crib Gork. But like I said, I can't see anything, so it's probably a lot nicer than this on a nice day. Can't see how far I've got to fall, but got a good feeling it's pretty high. But I'm not going to fall. So I've just reached the stone, walking path. Walking path's down there. It's just over. So that ridge wasn't too bad. Should I get out the wind here? That ridge wasn't too bad. I was expecting it to be a lot worse. I was hoping it'd be a lot worse. But nearly there now. See you in a bit. Nearly there now. Cafe. Closed all year this time. This year, sorry. See the summit there. That was windy. Windy and wet at the top there then. Windiest I've ever known at that, at the top. I struggled to walk down. To really hold on. Yeah, I'll probably call it a day with the video now. That's the last path of Snowdon. I've done all the others now, so yes, happy with that achievement. Over the space of about 3-4 years, done them all, and done some of them more than others, but yeah, that was my last one. So yeah, but I'll still do it again. Love it, love Snowdon. But anyway, I'm gonna get some more food, get some more clothes on, and call it a day. So if you like the video, please make sure you like it and subscribe it and ring the bell, because I really do appreciate it. I don't get that many views, but hopefully the channel will pick up a bit. But I enjoy making them anyway, so hope you enjoy them too. See you later. Bye.